To organize home screen on POCO M8 5G, it's quite simple. First of all, let's start from removing all of those things that you don't need. So we can quickly do this by clicking and holding empty space on your home screen, just like this. Now we have to select every application that you want to remove. In my case, I'm gonna only stay with the settings, and now click here on this icon. Click done. And now we have to also remove some folders. We have to remove them manually. Now to remove some shortcuts or widgets, you have to click and hold it and select remove. And that's how it looks in my case. I want to get clean home screen and I'm gonna get access into my home screen thanks into the application drawer. Now, if you want to put some shortcuts, some widgets, you have to click and hold it, go into the widgets, and now as you can see, you can pick any widget that you want. For example, I want to add a torch icon, and thanks to this, I can quickly turn it on. Take a look. It's super useful. And right now, if you want to create a folders, you can for sure do that. And you can just bring any application from the application drawer, drag it like this. You will get transition into the home screen. We got the first icon, and now you can just simply click and hold another icon, move this one above another, release, and the folder will be created. Now, when you click and hold empty space on your home screen, you can also change a wallpaper. By clicking on the left bottom corner, you will be redirected into the theme store, where you can actually find a lot of different wallpapers. So if you want to get, for example, this one, you have to go for this, select your wallpaper, click apply, and now select if you want to get this on your home screen, lock screen, or for example, in the both places. But if you want to get this kind of the wallpaper, the video wallpaper, I can highly recommend you to go for this application, TikTok video wallpaper, that will allow you to set any wallpaper that you find here that is actually dedicated to be as a video. So here, as you can see, you can find a lot of them. And yeah, and that's basically how you can quickly organize your home screen. And you can also change some options when you click on the settings. Like for example, you can change the transition effect. So you can get, for example, the cube effect. When you select each effect, you can find this short transition. When you click on the more, we are also able to remove that -1 screen. So as default, we got the Google screen. So we can just, for example, turn it off. And of course, we can change the home screen grid. So basically it will allow us to put more icons on the home screen, but also it will make the icons smaller. So yeah, that's everything for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.